Hello everyone. Let's have some fun learning about Chapter 6 Rural Administration. What you will learn in this chapter, in this session, you will learn about uh, importance aspect of village, that is land record. Important aspect of village administration is the maintenance of land record. The Patwari is the government official in the rural area who is responsible for maintaining a land, a record of ownership of land and terrain. He visits the various agricultural lands, records the name of the landholders and the dimension of the land, and make a note of harvest for a year. This is the document called the Farat, which shows the name of the owner of the land as per the record of the Patwari. The Patwari maintains and updates the record of the village and informs the government accordingly. The government collects money from farmers and landholders in the form of taxes. The rate of the tax is fixed according to the quality of land and the size of the land holding. The Patwari is responsible for maintaining these records and collecting the revenue from the people. So the Patwari is the person who is responsible for a group of villages. The Patwari is known in different names in different stage like Kanungo, Karam village officer, Karamchari, etc. So Patwari duties they include conducting land survey, field supervision, and reporting the crime to the police. The role of the Patwari is important in an investigation. The record of Patwari helps the police to find out which person has extended the boundary of the land from the original boundary. Because the paper should be signed by the Patwari, so this is the legal as a it is used as a legal document in case of any uh, conflict. Now the next one is the Tehsildar. Tehsildar is a revenue administrative officer in charge of obtaining taxation from a tehsil. A tehsil is also called Patwari. Work of Patwari, which we have already discussed, that land disputes are common features of the village, hence it is essential to maintain record so that conflict may be avoided. Here comes the role of Patwari. Patwari is a person whose main task is to measure the land and keep the land record, and also update these records. Who sale the when the sale the land, purchase the land, or any farmer can take the loan. So for loan purpose, he use that land record. Each patwari is responsible for a group of village. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from farmers and providing information to the government about crops grown in this area. Revenue Department of government plays a major role in this direction. Senior people in this department supervise the Patwari work. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.